Okay, waiting for a request. Hi, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. How are
Okay,
you?
I'm fine. So she's a very special guest for today's live. She's Sneha Ankita, founder of Eventer and Exotica. Ma'am, I welcome you all to WBN's live.
Thank you.
So tell me about yourself, ma'am. It's
Yeah,
just a small intro question. So let
I
us know yourself.
sure. Yeah, I'm Sneha Ankita. Uh, I'm from Madurai. So I'm
Okay.
the founder of Eventer and Exotica. So Eventer is a 2-year-old startup, and we are into event planning. So we do thematic birthdays, wedding reception, and all kind of social events. So we do it in a exclusive, different way that even all the little detailing we give in all the elements we add on. And about Exotica, in the recent lockdown, we started a home cloud kitchen where we wanted more women to be an entrepreneur. And so we made all the like women and all the house people, like homemakers, to cook and sell their dishes.
That's a
So
very
that's
good initiative, ma'am.
yeah,
In
so
this
that is
lockdown period.
when we started Exotica. So in this, people like my friends, like all my colleagues, like they cook, and we sell it under the same dish. And we wanted to bring something very exclusive to Madurai, that we bring in all exotic dishes, which are very like rarely found in Madurai. So
Oh,
that's it.
that's really nice. Okay, so from where did you get this idea? From where did you evolve this? How was your schooling and college life?
Yeah, I did my
Did you have
schooling
any
in
idea?
Yeah, I did my schooling
Okay,
in Madurai, and then I went for my engineering in Chennai. I did my civil engineering in Anna University. So
okay.
I was there in Chennai for 4 years, plus 1 year in Loyola Institute of Business Administration. I did my 1 year management course there. So after coming to Madurai,
Okay.
I really crave for some like exotic dishes, some exclusive dishes which are rarely found in Madurai. So then, like all of us, we started trying out in this lockdown. We didn't know what to do, so we started trying out. We started baking new desserts and everything. So then we were like, why not we sell it, and why not we introduce like those dishes to the people of Madurai, and that's how we started Exotica.
That's how you started the Exotica.
Exotica, yeah. And coming to Eventer, so when like this was just like I'm basically interested in all these thematic things, and when we have our friends get together, we plan everything like even in case we celebrate almost all the occasions like Independence Day, Valentine's Day, everything with friends. So whenever we celebrate
Okay.
all that, we have a particular theme. Like if it's Valentine's Day, everyone comes in red, and all the dishes are heart in shape and everything. And that's when I start posting things. And one of my friend who asked me like if you're into event planning, I was like, no, this is just like my passion, what I do. Then she was like, why not you start it? And that's when like we started Eventor, and it was like it started as a unique thing in Madurai, and it went on really well. So it was a one of a kind in Madurai.
So basically, you're an engineer who switched your platform into
Yeah,
this.
yeah, it's completely like what I studied and what I'm doing now is like no way related.
It's
Like
totally
it's
different.
sometimes like
I
yeah.
get it.
So designing is my passion and all interior works and everything. So that's how I got into this eventer. So it's like nothing to do with all my studies and everything. And like I learn in every project, like day by day, each and every project teaches me one or the other, everything.
So basically, you're a creative person. That's why
Yeah.
you like. Okay, okay. So, like, how did you like really are you passionate about this thing,
Uh,
about the
I
work you're doing?
really, I really love
Because
working for this.
you have two different extremes, right? In
Yeah, so
Exotica as well as
yeah, so
Adventure.
when coming to Eventer, it's like a 1 day show. So it's not like so much, we don't have much time to prepare and everything. So we will have time to prepare that when the client approaches us, like even a month before or a week before, or sometimes even 2, 3 days before. That will be like even more challenging, like planning everything in a short while will be more competitive, and sourcing out things and everything. And then but somehow we make it up, and then it is in that 1 day show we have to like bring everything up and before. Like usually if it's an
Yeah,
evening
even that
function, it'll
one
be,
day show makes a big difference,
yeah,
right? Because
that,
it's someone else's big day. So they
yeah.
might expect a very huge thing for that day.
Yeah, exactly. That is the thing. So we have to like stand up to the client's expectation and everything. So we make sure we like give everything what they wanted and everything in the perfect time, and complete it like according to how they wanted to make their day special. So it will be more, we work it like more like it's our day. So like we design it and everything so that
Yeah,
all
or
the
else
guests
it
who walk
wouldn't have
into
been
it.
a satisfaction for us as well as for them, right?
Yes, exactly. So when the guests walk in, so we wanted to like, okay, so they have to notice the decor. So that's how I design all my decor and everything.
So
So
everything
yes,
has a unique factor, right? In your
yes. So
designs.
yeah, like right from the backdrop, even the balloons, even the popcorn boxes, even the food labels, everything will bring in, everything will have the same thing, and we bring in everything like according to the theme. So that makes a huge difference, and that like fascinates everyone to look at each of the detailing in the decor.
Okay, so tell me about your theme, more themes, like what kind of themes you prefer and what kind of color combinations, or it's like totally customized, or whether it's like, or you are deciding on it.
No, actually, like it's more like some of our clients come up with their with the theme they want to. Like
Okay.
they already have one mindset that they want some one particular theme. So they come up with a theme and we enhance it. Like what all elements can be used and what all color concept will be really good for it. So like choosing the colors plays a major role in it. So when you go in for pastels, it gives a different look. When you go in
Yeah,
for like
exactly.
really bright colors, it gives a different look. So the lighting matters, the daytime, the surrounding, how the interior of the hall is, the place where we decor, everything matters a lot. So like if it's an evening function, we can go in for more lights to enhance the
Like,
decor and everything. So according to the mood of the place, we choose the color combination, color scheme, and everything. So like when you go in, it's like we don't play with random colors. So when we go with one particular, if it's pastel blue, we go it for pastel blue. If it's going to be
only one color theme.
one color
Are they
theme,
okay with that?
yeah.
Persons who
So
are like customers,
yeah,
so
when
are
it
they okay
comes,
with that?
yeah, like when you go with theme, like there are certain colors. Like when one of our first project was nautical theme decor. So it was all like
Okay.
we played in with the colors just with red, blue, and red, navy blue, and white, which gave the entire space the nautical feel. And we gave it
Okay.
we made the stage as a real ship. So when it was like a baby
Wow.
like cutting cake on the ship deck, and so everything like right from the docks and the water splashing, and we had a dessert table with all the nautical items like anchors and
This
fishing
was
net.
completely your idea, or whether like they gave
The
suggestions to
client
it?
Yeah, the client comes up with a theme and we discuss about like what all can be done. So I'll be giving like certain ideas what all can be done and everything. So they will choose
Okay.
what they want and what they don't want. So we include both the things, and we come up with a final
So
output of
every
what can
time
be
you
done.
get a customer, it's totally a new challenge which you are working on it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Every single project will be like right from like when it comes to a rhyme for a kid, like we are exclusively doing like first birthday
Birthday
parties.
party.
So being a 90s kid, the cartoons which we had is like totally different, like right
Different.
away what they have. So
Exactly.
when they come up with a like a Coco Melon or Dave and Eva, any theme, I have to like completely read the cartoon to
You
know
have to
what all,
understand what is the
yeah,
basic,
what
and
it
you have
is.
to learn from them, right?
Yes, exactly. That is what it is. So I can like I really love kids so that I get easily blended with them, and I start like reading about the cartoons and like more studying about the theme, and then it'll be easy for me to design it and come up with a theme and everything, all the elements which
Oh,
I can include.
that is a big work actually.
Yeah, but it's like quite
Absolutely.
interesting. So when you see that, like I get to learn a lot of things. So it'll be like very easy for me to interact with the kids. And basically,
And
I
more
love,
satisfying kid is also very difficult at this age, right?
yeah, but I really love kids.
He was
So
like,
that made
okay,
me,
mama said, okay, no, no, na, that's it. It will be
yeah,
a no for us. But these 2K kids are not.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly like
Yeah.
that. But when it comes to like very small babies, they are fine. And some there are like some kids like where like where they celebrate their fifth birthday or sixth birthday, even the kid comes up with some idea. So I want something like this. We did alien themed birthday where the kid was 8 year old. So he wanted everything
Yeah.
so realistic. So we made a UFO with all the lights inside it. So he wanted all the aliens to be realistic. So we took in all mannequins and made those mannequins as aliens. So which gave a real like outer space feel. So we added on alien eggs. So like I was so like what shocked to know that the kid was like so keen
That
on like
kid
alien
knows so
eggs and
much.
everything. Even yeah. So they know a lot more than us. And then like each and every project makes me learn about what all there are like these niche items in those theme and everything. So it made me like
And they
each and every
expect
project
that to
made
be there.
yeah,
And they expect
exactly.
that to be there.
Yeah, exactly. So that is what it is. So understanding them and bringing out it, like it's interesting. So that's how it makes it like more like stress free and it comes up really nice.
That's really great. So, how did you feel the trend moving? Like before 2 years, it was completely different, right? Nobody was like this. Okay, we have to plan this on this. Like it was like a normal. Ma'am, we give you this is the budget, this is the theme, so we are making up to this. But now it's totally different. How do you see that trend going?
Actually, now people are becoming more aware of it, like what it is, and like usually, like there are like before they were not much keen on what decor it is, and now, but now when they attend other people's function, their friends' function or anything, so when they look at the decor and they also were like, okay, we want this atmosphere on our special day, so that's how like it makes people more like they want to celebrate more birthdays in theme birthdays and enjoy the ambience on that special day, so which will have a lifelong memories. So first birthdays are always
Yeah.
special, the baby naming ceremonies, the baby showers, and also like in this lockdown times we had like more challenging because it was all limited people birthday parties and everything. So we made a like I got in a new concept of party kits, birthday party kits, where I get ready with all the props and I'll give a catalog of how to like pin it up and design it and everything. And I make it everything like a DIY kit and I send it to them. Like when I talk to the clients itself,
See, it will be a long time process, right? If you're doing it in the DIY, how
yeah,
do you
it
manage time for that?
like there are some clients who come up to me like before like 3 days and they will be like, I'm planning for my kid's seventh birthday, so I want it in a car theme. So I start preparing, like I quickly design. So I have a team of people who design for me, who's like well versed in Corel Draw and Photoshop. So like I put them my ideas and they design it for me, and then I get ready with all the other items which are necessary, and then I pack it up and I send it to them. We courier it everywhere, like all the accessible places. So we have couriered it to
Okay.
Dindakal and Sivagangai. Those small places, they don't get much items, and something this is
Yeah.
which is very difficult to source. So there was a good response for that, and we started sending it. So they wanted to celebrate their home weddings or like
Function.
home functions in a very grand way, in a very nice way, to get that ambience and the feel where the kid enjoys it. So that is how
Yeah.
like people are more inspired now to do something different, and they really enjoy it.
Okay. Ma'am, tell me about your team.
Yeah.
How big is your
Like
team?
we all are like the youngsters here fully. So we're like
Okay.
more creative
So
and
it's full of
everything.
vibrancy. Like
Yeah,
everyone
so
is
we get
new
that
creative
vibe.
ideas.
Yeah, that is there exactly. So I take up interns for a few of my projects, which we do it on a larger scale. So we
Okay.
work like it'll be mostly like a 24-hour work on the site where we are going to do the decor and everything. Maybe it's a hotel banquet hall or a home decor or other like party hall space. So it'll be like more than we started working with the first we go for a client meetings, like two to three client meetings where we go and we discuss with the clients and we take them to the venue and how they want it, where they want to position each and everything, and like how they want it, like how they want right from the baby entry, everything we do it. So there are certain things the before day we have rehearsals for the baby. So
Rehearsals also.
yeah, so when the baby like he or he should be very comfortable with that big crowd. So we had a entry like for a nautical theme
Community card,
birthday.
something like that.
Yeah, something like we converted a hotel trolley to a ship, and the baby was in a sailor costume. So it was like we had a entry thing. So the baby's grandparents and parents were like moving the trolley. So the baby it looked like the baby sailor like coming in a ship, entering his space and entering the big cruise to cut his cake on his first birthday. So we make it like a fairy tale for all the birthdays, like each and everything, like just like a story. So we make like entering through the thing with a nautical like float and everything. So each and every like decor we have like all like we connect it like a story right from the entrance till the stage, like each and everything, and the centerpieces, everything will have some like little detailing we focus on. So that makes it more like involving for the guest also to like literally admire the decor and everything. So that makes it more interactive.
Who does the designer part, ma'am?
Designer part, like we take up the like I take up all the designs and how I want to be the color scheme, everything, and then I
Okay.
have people like there are like 3 to 4 people working for me, and they like I do it in a freelance basis. So they are all my friends, like who are just like who has finished their designing course in and well versed in like graphic designing and all that. So they do all this
Wow.
designing, and they like I put in the inputs how I want it, what is the color scheme of the birthday thing, and the particular colors and the theme, and what all the elements to be designed and everything. So they design it. So it comes as a 1 week or 10 days process. So it takes like we have the corrections and everything, and then we give it to the clients and how they want it. Also, we just give it to them if everything is okay or if they want some changes, and then we give it to the I give it to the designer and these clients, and if they are satisfied, till they are satisfied, we keep like reworking again and again and again. So that's how we
Okay. Great
give the
work, actually.
output. Yeah.
So you have laborers also for that?
Yeah, like on the
Okay.
day of the event, we have people like I have everything like I do everything in freelancing. So like I like hire people on the day of the work and labor contracts and everything. So there, like we have a team of like depends on the type of project. If it's a small project, we take up to like 3 to 4 people working, and if it's a big project, we have like 7 to 8 in a team. So who can work a lot, like right from we have this printing work, flex works. If it goes for wedding, we have this floral arrangement and the other like all the aesthetic things in the entrance and everything, all that work. So we allocate them for each and every work, and we finish it. And sometimes like we get the hall, like party hall, in the end of the there might be some function in the morning, so we get the hall only after lunch. So we have to
Okay.
prepare,
So you
start
have
doing the
to
decor.
attend both work,
Yeah,
right?
we
That
have less time for doing the decor in the hall, so
exactly.
we have to like really increase the labor team to like really speed up the work and finish it before the timeline. So that all depends on
So
depends on the type of project and the time frame. We put in the number of people and everything, and I hired like few like 1 or 2 interns for each and everything. So I'll tell them all the they everyone will have a workflow and how and where what is going to be there and everything. So they'll be assisting everyone, so how it goes and everything, and I'll be there in the entire event almost to just have a to just monitor how it goes and everything.
okay, that's great, ma'am. So being a woman, how do you take up challenges in facing men laborers? Because I know there's hectic stuff to do with them because some might listen and some might not listen. How do you
Yeah,
deal with those stuff?
that was really like a little challenging in the beginning because when we started, we were partners. Me and my friend started together, and she's married
Okay.
and she has a very small kid, so she couldn't like take it up. So she quit in the middle. So then I started up taking alone. But initially it was all like more like a fun work. We go together. It was more like college thing. We go sit, chit chat and work, and it was so much fun. And we were the youngest with all the people who ever work with me, and all are elder to me. Me being the youngest, because I just finished my college and I'm just into this for for the past 2 years. So being the youngest, it was little like I cannot like raise my voice against anyone or everything, but
Yeah,
somehow like
exactly.
it's coping up, became like familiar and everything. And my friends and my parents are like real support to me. My dad and mom accompanies me everywhere. Like literally when I go for, sometimes we do have an overnight decor in hotels. So, like my parents
So
accompany
they
me.
come with you.
Yeah, they come with me. They stay
So
with
when
me the overnight. They stay with me the entire night for the safety. So, but I'm so glad, like my parents, like they let me do it and everything. It's not like it's
yes,
not
being
there
a
in every,
female
being a
woman
woman.
working
And
with all these men
yeah, it's
is
really,
definitely a big task.
yeah, the society has to accept, and moreover the like safety
Yeah.
aspect and
And
everything.
moreover, being in Madurai and doing all these things, it's really a big,
Yeah, that is
big, big
really,
hands down.
yeah, but like my parents help me a lot, and they are very supportive, and and because of them, it's like I was able to do everything, and it's all because of them. Who am I? Who I am, it is. So yeah. So and my friends are very
Very
supportive. They help me in my initial stages a lot. Like like my friends are into business. Like they are so they guide me in everything, and what all to like where to source everything. And when I was new here and I was not able to cope up, they guided me in everything. So I was able to like cope up with it and come up. So like each and every event was a learning, and I was able to like take it up from that.
okay. Let me ask you a situation-based question, ma'am. If
Sure.
have you ever turned down the client?
We did have one event like that. So that was
Okay.
our fourth event.
How did you
So with
manage with that?
support, if the last thing was like it was like we had like very so much communication issues, like how it started. So what
Okay.
happened, like when I'm communicating with her, like I have like my mother tongue is Tamil, but still like I have like certain communication gap between how the like people speak here and everything, like the language difference.
That
So
will be
what
there.
I tell, like it'll be very difficult for them to perceive it. And like sometimes I feel whatever I taught, the language barrier was a very challenging thing, though being a Tamilian and I know Tamil and everything. But then like somehow like when I tell them certain things, and the laborers, they work in a different way in what they understood from what I said. So that was really challenging. And like it was almost in the end of the event, 5:30, and it
Okay.
everything was like I was monitoring the stage part, and the entrance part I just told them like box in the square frame. So they got it in a different way, and they like arranged everything in a different thing. And when I finished the stage part and I came here, I was like everything, and the guests were almost there. So we just had 15 minutes. So we had to do a last minute adjust corrections to make it up for it. And then like somehow like we managed to they liked it somehow. But they were a little disappointed, like because they didn't get it like the way they wanted. But then somehow we managed to do it. So that was the thing. That was my fifth project. So each and every project, it was we are learning.
There's a learning.
But like luckily, to be honest, like so far, like every work has been like up to the mark, and we always get good reviews. Like it was a good thing to do by God's grace. So it's going on well and everything. So people love our work.
How do you
So yeah.
manage your anger, ma'am? Like at that moment when you're so damn pissed off, oh God, what to do now? How do you manage that situation? Like how do
That is
you calm
really a
yourself or
challenging
do you
question.
shout at the people just like that?
No, that is really a challenging question. Like I used to be like in the initial stages, I'm usually a very calm person, very jovial person. I take things very lightly and everything. But once I started, like once I got into business, like I get really irritated for all the things like which is not in your control and you have to like deal with it. But somehow like
Yeah.
when you like shout at them, then it's not going, you're not going to get the work done properly. So first in like
Yeah, that's
like
good.
I try to like I control my thing and try telling them like casually, normally, and everything, because that moment when you shout at your workers or laborers or whatever, you're not going to get your things done, and it's not like out of ethics. So I tell them like this is how it is and everything in a
So
little stronger
you
voice.
make yourself sound out. Huh. It's
Yeah,
okay,
I was
fine.
like, come,
We'll
it's okay, fine. And then I come home and I really blasted my parents, and I was like, I really pity them. End of the day, it's like they're like, okay, calm down. This is all a learning and thing. It'll be fine and everything. So each and every project, that's how I manage and everything. And sometimes I really want a break, and I'm like, really today I'm not taking any business calls and everything. So I really come up with some relaxation so that to calm my mind and everything. But mostly all the projects I enjoy. So there'll be rare cases where I get like really in such kind of situations and everything. Sometimes we really have tough time with clients. Few clients are really thing, but almost like touchwood, I really had all my clients as like real like we
I
become
could
really good
do.
friends and everything. So it was like all good, and it was working just like we became really good friends and everything. So there are like so many clients who became very close, and like yeah, I'm still in touch with them, and they're like really close friends
Um,
of mine. So that's how it
how do
is.
you
Like
manage
it's more like
Exotica,
a
ma'am?
so Exotica being a recent startup, it is
Both
like
events are like because you're handling both, right? How do you feel?
yeah,
Like,
like
do you feel at times you're putting down in this and you're coming up, you're working more time for this? Have you
yeah,
ever felt that?
I always feel like now Exotica being a startup, I really have to put in so much efforts to bring it up. Like Eventor, like
Yeah.
first 6 months was a real challenging, and I put like my fullest to bring it up and everything. So and then if once you put your efforts and then you sort out things and everything goes in a while. So that's how like Exotica being in its starting stages, like when it is food industry, you really have to do the quality check, quantity check, and the like
Exactly.
food good the proper delivery of food and everything. And this being a home cloud kitchen, so I have to like check with each and every chef, like will they manage the taste and everything, like it's up to the mark, and all the food is prepared on time and when I receive it and everything. So that is a really challenging thing which I'm facing in Exotica. But this being a 3-month-old startup, I think like okay, it'll take time. I was like okay, it'll take time to get set and be form a proper protocol, and it goes on. So it's just a starting thing. So I keep like improving each and every weekend. So this is how like we just do it on the weekend. So it is like kind of okay. But the whole week goes on deciding what menu for the weekend, and we start posting
Oh.
up. We start getting like menu, like food items, what each chef is going to prepare, and then collect it and then post it. Start
Oh,
getting
you have
orders.
chefs separately for this?
No, yeah, it's like whoever wants, like they can join in this is more like a cloud kitchen. So whoever wants, they can join in the kitchen and they can showcase
Okay.
their food that weekend. So it's more like
Okay.
there are like 3-4 friends of mine who are with me. So each cook, like
So
some
good
make
at
the cook,
cooking.
yeah, good, yeah, those are passionate about cooking. So there'll be
Cooking.
one particular dish one person will be good at. So I wanted to put all the special dish of each and every one and sell it at one space. So that's how we started Exotica. So and yeah, being a startup, it is really like giving its push to make it up. Yes.
What's your favorite dish, ma'am, in your Exotica?
My favorite, almost like what are the favorite, like almost on each every weekend menu, I post the one favorite dish of mine so that even I buy it and I have it. So my favorite dishes are the cheesecake and the eclair and the profit rolls. And these are like just yum.
Wow, it's really nice. Okay. Ma'am, budgets of your work, maybe it's like Eventor or Exotica, whatever it
Sorry?
is. Your budgets. How do
Yeah.
you frame your budgets, ma'am?
Like coming to Eventor, so we started like when we were very new to the field, we started with a really low price. I remember doing an event like the very first event was surprising a person. The husband was in a ship, and he wanted to surprise his wife who's
His
pregnant.
value.
So it was like a
Wow.
5 day sending gift to them. So we were totally
Okay.
new to it. So I took my brother and we dropped the gift. I took my dad one day, everything going to that place and giving that. We charged like just like 5,000 for the entire event. So people were shocked. Like, and then my friends who are into business and they were like, "Are you like really like that? Like when you go in person and everything, you really have to frame it accordingly." So initially we were like not aware of the rates, the price, everything, being new to business, and then coming up to it slowly, we started scaling up. So now we have birthday party kits from 5,000 range onwards, and then home birthdays from 15,000 range onwards, and then we do all these theme decors like exclusive. It starts from 25,000 and it goes up to 1 lakh. So the birthdays, there are clients who want to do it at a very big scale. At a thing, we had a hot air balloon theme and nautical theme, and we did a destination wedding. It's for my like my best friend's sister. She got married, and it was a destination wedding. So that was like really curated, like right from the entrance and everything, with carry cages and all the customization and everything. So that's all, like wanted to bring a revolution in the event thing. And coming to Exotica, like we wanted to we give it in a very good quality. Like we don't compromise on the like we don't use any substitutes or anything. So like just like how you cook food at home and eat it. So that's how we cook in Exotica and sell it. It's just like how you cook at home and you serve it to your mom and dad. It's just that's how we make it. So we charge it accordingly. So coming to that exotic dishes at in this price, like they were like okay, like we have like good customers, like we have good reach, and there are like sometimes when there is excess orders, it is like really difficult to manage. Also, like when we are doing it a bulk quantity, doing at home, we will be having a small mixer, like a small oven to do it. And when it's not easy, well when we don't have like we cook in our home kitchen and send it, so we don't have a separate kitchen space or anything. So it's just like how you make a small quantity. So it's like we do it in batches if it's in for a like a lot of orders and everything, and somehow we are coping up with it like so far.
It's really nice, ma'am. Guys who are watching this, if you guys have any doubts regarding Exotica or it may be an eventer, just do comment. Ma'am is here to like clear all your doubts. Okay, ma'am. If you have a shortage of raw materials, what would you do, ma'am, in
For
that time
Exotica,
for
so we
eventer? Eventer
event
or
like
Exotica?
Eventor is like pre-planned, so we don't we always make everything in excess so that we don't
But
run
there
out
will
of
be a
anything.
wastage, right, no, ma'am?
Yeah,
Usually
but
there'll be a wastage.
we'll almost have a buffer and everything, and we plan it accordingly so that we don't miss out in everything. So mostly in Eventor we end up giving extra. Even there is extra is fine, but shortage is not fine. So that's how we work it. So we will always have a like buffer items to just have it so that in case of any damage or like some mislocation, everything, so we cope up with it. And coming to Exotica also, we almost like we close the orders like prior, so that we have
Okay.
time for preparation and everything, and we always have a buffer of like 2 3 if in case we are doing cupcakes. If we get an order of 24 cupcakes, we bake like 26 to 28 cupcakes. So if those four, like someone really coming in the last minute and if they ask for cupcakes, so we sell it off. Otherwise it's just like we are like a group of people, so we just have it for ourselves. It's just like cooking at home and having it. So that's how we are managing in Exotica right now. Yeah.
That's really nice. Who's your biggest motivator?
My big motivator are my parents. Like they really support me in what all I do, and my friends are like really supportive. Like my parents are and my friends are like real motivators for me, and they encourage me in what I do and everything. Yes.
Great. It's a great thing, mom. And what tips would you like to give to a young entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs who are out there, from
Yeah.
your
So
side, from the experience you have gained from your business?
it's like do what you like and do with your like utmost interest, and it's not like you shouldn't do anything like just for the sake of doing. You really have to enjoy what you do. Only then you get the like full of the output and everything. So I was never a person I wanted to do business or being professional and everything. But I really liked what it was an accidentally like found startup and everything. But I really started enjoying doing what I did. So that's how I got into it, and I started doing with more interest and everything. So whatever you do it with more interest and passion. You can really do it, and it's like you should never give up. So we also had a beginning of Eventor. We had like 2-3 months with nil projects. When we started with 3 projects, and so we
How
that
did
was
you
all
promote
into.
yourself?
Sorry.
Promote yourself. How did you promote your business?
Like
And
we did like it was all a word of mouth promotion. We didn't have much promotion or anything. So it was like we had like when we were partners in the beginning, so we had all these model shoots and everything. So we did self branding for our brand, and we promoted and everything. So we have all this. It was all a word of mouth. So right from our very first project, like the guests, whoever were there, like they were really astonished by our work, and whoever like visited the neighboring halls, they really wanted to peep in to just look at the decor. So that's how people started like really liking
yeah,
it.
and we
Like
take pictures, right?
the network grows like slowly with the people who attends other people function. And Instagram and Facebook was a real good thing where people were able to reach. They were able to know how it was. So perseverance, like how like you really have to like you really shouldn't give up. So even there'll be times like 3-4 months without any project, but you should still keep trying, and like think, innovate, like learn for yourself, like what you can do exclusively, what you can improve in your field. Start learning, do some online workshops or something. So I read a lot about like what can be done, like I browse for more ideas, like something different which can be done and everything. So that's how like learn from each and everything, learn
Yeah,
from your other people. So that's how you do it, and you
that's
do
a
it at a
really
full
good
good thing.
answer, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Guys, if you have any doubts, do comment. We are here. Ma'am, few words about WBN. What did you
Yeah.
feel actually about WBN?
Yeah, I recently like came to know about Women Business Network, and it is really a good thing. Like a forum for women is like a really very appreciative and everything. So it is more like a support for all the women entrepreneurs, and it's like motivating more women to like become entrepreneurs and do something like really good. We want to achieve something and all that. So it's a good platform for networking and recognizing everyone's talent. Like a recognition is something which will make a person do more and more. So yeah, so that is like a really good thing about Women Business Network. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Guys, if you
Thank
have
you.
any doubts, just do comment. Okay. Thank you so much for being with
Thank you.
us, Nal, ma'am. Reach more heights.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
you have a question.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite event or decor?
Like I can't be specific on one or two. Like my most like I have like 3 to 4 decors which are my like most favorite. My most favorite is like hot air balloon and the nautical theme which we did.
What's the
And
cost of that budget cost, ma'am?
it was a higher
Of the
project. The hot air balloon was 1.2 lakhs. We had a 3D structured hot air balloon with all like balloon clouds, and it was like a very real thing. And it made like everyone, and that was a very good reach in like my whole journey. To and
Okay,
one
you
more
have
question
another
to you,
question
Deck.
from Priya. Decor works in Coimbatore.
Yes, we do like higher budget decors out of Madurai. So we have traveled to Virudunagar, Sivakasi, all these places, like more than 50,000. We work like a bigger projects. We go to other cities and we do our works. And now we
Okay,
are introduced party kits where we can courier it anywhere, like even Coimbatore, Chennai, Bangalore, anywhere in accessible region, we can courier the party kit. So you can have your like exclusive decor of Eventor at your home place in a very small budget, and a very nice exclusive thing at home. Yeah.
it's a real good thing. Are you planning to do decors in abroad?
Yes, of course, if I get a chance, that will be my real
Next
thing to do it.
target.
So I will definitely plan of scaling it up high, and like I have a long way to go. I'm just in my learning process, so I'll definitely plan a decor very soon in abroad. Yes.
Okay, guys, any more questions? Yes, ma'am, you have something to tell?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I think there's no more questions. So, ma'am,
Okay.
reach greater heights. We are
Thank you.
here to
Thank you
help you out
so.
if okay. You could contact us anytime. We are here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much.
It is
Thank you
really
so
good
much,
thing.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. We'll meet you in the next live. Till then, bye.